We're about building relationships. So I'm a Tima Glossy, the fastest growing brands for detailing products, chemicals, and coatings in the world.
Siren, the horn for the Sunday morning. See how fast we can get rich arrested.
Hey guys, yesterday we worked on the company TRX, getting it ready and prep for SS Customs, Sharif and his crew. We're gonna go to the airport now. We're gonna pick them up in the super stock, another Mopar product. But guys, stay tuned. Today we start the wrap process on the TRX. You guys are gonna love the design. It's totally epic, and I look forward to seeing your comments online. So be sure to show us your love as we get on this project. Let's get to the airport, Austin. We gotta go pick up Sharif.
The gang is here.
What's up, boys?
What's up, what's up?
Let's do it. So we got SS Customs in the house, guys. We got the TRX here, and we got Chewie here from Star Wars, Chewbacca. He's gonna help us wrap this today.
Specializing in roofs.
Specializing in roofs, that's what he does. So guys, we're gonna get to it. We got Josh on the job right now.
We've never done a TRX before. They just came out. So there's not really templates online. So we're using RAM templates with some photos that we superimposed that we got on Google to go ahead and try to give us a mock-up, and then we called over the phone, got measurements, and with all the information, we're gonna hope that everything matches and fits based off, off no real template. So it was like distance templating. Talk about straight, we gotta talk to Wowie.
Wowie will fuck some shit up. Okay, we're installing some PPF here, and we're gonna see if the OG can bolt cut this and not cut the paint.
Uh-oh.
We have just finished up 90% of the wrap on the vehicle. We've got the camo on the hood, we've got the Glossy logo on the roof, satin wrap. The size looks amazing. Sharif and Cameron did a great job. So as you can see, the theme, it's got a Glossy logo tearing away from a satin look to get the gloss. So guys, we're gonna go to Discount Tire now. We're gonna mount and balance the tires for the T-Rex. They're going to be Icon 8-spoke gold wheels with the black beats. Stay tuned. Hey guys, it's May 17th. It's been a long weekend. Got some needed rest last night, and we're showing up here. It's Monday morning. We finished up the build of the wrap, the wheels over the weekend. Got some rest last night, a little bit of barbecue with some friends and family. And we're excited, guys. This truck looks absolutely like just menacing. I mean, it just has this aggressive stance that didn't have before. We've got the Icon wheels on right now on 37-inch tires. We went with a smaller wheel with a bigger tire because we're going for that 80s Baja look. We got to pick up the cover today and the 5 KC lights that are going to go on the roll bar. And in the grill, we've got a goodie, nice little treat in here. We've got police lights, guys. I don't know if this is legal. We've got to be careful when we're on goldRush Rally. And we also put in, come on over here, let me show you. We put in a PA system like you see in police vehicles. Little horn. Uh-oh. It's the po-po coming. And we've got the mic. So go ahead and put your hands on your head, videographer Austin, or get on the ground. We got the map here, which shows we're gonna start in New York. We're gonna end up in DC. Too bad Trump's not there anymore. That would be fun. White Sulphur Springs, Asheville, North Carolina. We're gonna hang out with some moonshiners, maybe the you never know. We might be the Atlanta, Memphis, New Orleans. Now that's gonna be epic because in New Orleans, we're gonna have a police escort. This is the second time that goldRush Rally's had a police escort in the city. We'll be rolling down Bourbon Street. So if you're gonna be at Bourbon Street, make sure that you got beats because we need beats. We're gonna have all of our family in the back of the bed as we go down Bourbon Street. It's gonna be epic. Then we got Houston, and then we've got Dallas as the end. As you can see, we've got the Saint and Sinners. Obviously, we are the sinner and goldRush is the saint, or whatever you want to pick. And this is the 13th year we've been on goldRush Rally. So guys, we got to get started today. We got to head into the office. We got an office meeting. We're going to talk about what needs to be done today. And we're going to be traveling to do some motor work. Like this isn't fast enough, right? So our goal is to go 1,000 horsepower at the motor, 720 to 740 rear horsepower, and take the governor off because who wants a governor on a truck that has that much horsepower? Come on guys, let's go. What is up guys? Good morning, Manhattan Beach. We are getting ready to drive to full-blown performance, take the TRX to get some serious horsepower and upgrades in preparation for goldRush Rally. We drove last night from Las Vegas, got some dinner in Manhattan Beach, had a hamburger, some shrimp. Now we're looking forward to showing you guys what full-blown performance can do to this vehicle. Stay tuned. What's going on guys? We are a full-blown performance in LA. I think Alex is walking out right now. He hasn't seen the truck yet or met me, so he's in for a little bit of a surprise, right? So we're getting ready to put some horsepower to the TRX. We're gonna give Tall Guy a challenge. We're gonna race you. We're gonna offer a race in Vegas, baby, because you know you're in Vegas all the time. So let's go talk to Alex and see what's up. What's going on, bro?
Everything good?
Dude, this is Austin, video guy. This is Alex, owner of Full Blown Performance. You like the sirens?
Yeah, I heard it.
I got lights, sirens,
Everything, huh?
everything, PA. It's time for Full Blown Performance mods. Let's do it!
We're gonna do thinking lower, injectors, boost the pump, and just turn it up a little more.
You could use a tune for them tall guys because we're the same setup, or
No.
no? Yeah, everyone's got to be custom.
Yeah. Yeah. The problem with that is there's some parameters that change. Every car is different. Especially you can do that like with Chevy and Ford, but with Mopar.
Totally different.
Yeah, totally different.
So how many T-Rexes have you done so far?
This is my second.
This is so. Corey was the first,
Corey was the first.
and we're the second.
You're the second.
So they're all gonna map different.
Right.
So this would be interesting. Now I got the 37s on. Is that gonna be a problem when you done it? Okay, cool.
Fine.
What if we make more horsepower with 37s than he did on his baseline? That would be crazy, right?
Yeah.
Stock injectors. Too small. Hey guys, what's going on? We're here in Los Angeles, California at Full Blown Performance, which is Alex's shop. He's well known in the Mopar world. And guys, it's been a journey the last few days. I mean, we went from having SS Customs fly into Vegas. The guys last week on our crew ripped the truck apart, lights, door handles. I mean, this thing was like overhauled, like overhauling garage with Chip Foose. And it's no joke. And now we've got it on a dyno. And Alex was kind enough to push all these other customers aside to help us get ready for goldRush Rally. In fact, his guy, Jose, who's awesome, you'll see here in the video, he did a great job. He changed the lower pulley, and then he had to do some customization to the block because the pulley needed to fit. Alex right now is plugging in the computer, and he's logging in right now to find out, did we get the computer unlocked? Is everything cool? Because if we didn't, it's gonna be a problem. We can't write files for all these tunes. We put in Demon injectors, 1,400 pound Demon injectors, and we're gonna see what the base pull on this. We're hoping to get close to 700 horsepower. Alex said that's a little, .622, 612, so we're up 22 horsepower, and we're up, look how much torque we're back up.
Yeah. Yeah, right? Told you.
Man, you need a bigger lot, because people are going to want to park all their T-Rexes for rally.
Right.
We already got one phone call from us posting today, Austin.
Yeah.
That's hilarious. That's
The guy
dope.
called and said, hey, do you guys, whatever you're doing to that guy, Glossy or Rich or whatever, I want that to my T-Rex. What can I do? That was
awesome,
fun,
right?
Yeah.
Wow.
That's what I wanted to hear.
Oh, perfect. Everything looks good.
Loving it.
You can't get better than that. Well, I think this.
187 temp.
Yeah.
Temps are good. Perfect.
Guys, it's been a long day. What is it? 7:30 at night. We've been here since roughly 8:30 this morning. Alex has done a tremendous job with his crew. We got Jose, Melvin, Jose, Eddie, Danny, right?
Yep.
These guys are amazing, man. Like, they've treated me like family. I roll in, they're like, okay, let's move the cars. They got the truck right in the shop. In fact, Alex was cool enough to give me his keys to his 1,200 rear horsepower Trackhawk. Now, I kind of wussied out. I didn't actually want to drive it because somebody else drove it. We're not going to talk about who that was. He's another YouTube guy. But man, I was like, I want to drive this car. So he's going to come to Vegas with it. We finished up with the T-Rex, right?
Yep.
And, you know, we didn't get the numbers that we were looking for, but sometimes numbers are not important. It's more of like, what is the driving reaction and how does the car feel? Because sometimes the car can feel better than the numbers, right?
Right. Because again, the dyno is just like a tool. That's
Right.
all it is. And we want to make sure our field's right, our timing's right, make sure there's no knock on the car. we achieved all that on the car, and we drove it, and
So we had the perfect O ship meter, which
yeah.
her name is Diana. Diana, do you want to come over here? We're doing the interview with him for the video.
So what'd you think?
So basically we're talking about the numbers and how we've been here all day. And sometimes the numbers and when you drive the car is different, right? So can you tell the fans out there, like, what was your feeling after the drive we just took?
Just wow. Amazing. It is not the same. It's totally different than the beginning, obviously. So all day was work. So anyway.
Yeah, and these guys got it done in one day, and they brought us in and like family, right? And we're really pleased and honored that Alex allowed us to come to his facility. We're from Vegas, but now he's coming our family when he comes to Vegas. And we're gonna start teaming up. We're gonna do some video content with him because we got a super stock sitting in Vegas.
Yep.
And it's not getting the attention it needs.
Well,
So
we make it get that attention.
exactly. So we're gonna put it on a flatbed, bring it from Vegas, let him take his time on it, right? So he can do that work. We're gonna go on goldRush. When we come back from goldRush, we're gonna actually port the supercharger, right?
Turn it up a little more. Port the supercharger, upper pulley, and did we say the blower too? Yeah,
The blower.
The blower, the snout, and the throttle body.
Yeah, we're not gonna just port it. What are we gonna do to the blower?
We're gonna change the build. We're gonna do a, excuse me. sorry everybody. Billet plate, port the snout, throttle body, one-way throttle body, and upper pulley.
An upper pulley.
And this time we're gonna do some fueling mods as well too, just to make sure our fuel.
Bigger fuel pump?
Right.
Okay. Guys, I can't imagine like how fast this is, but Alex, what do you think is gonna happen when we take this on goldRush? Because our whole intention was, how do we keep up with the Aventadors and the McLarens?
We're gonna go whoop some ass over there.
And then we're gonna whip some ass, right? Right? We're
There's
gonna
nothing else better
we're gonna
than
whip
that.
some ass, right?
Yeah, watch out.
They're gonna pull up to the light. They're gonna think, oh, I'm a badass. That's just a pickup truck.
It's a heavy truck.
It's just a heavy truck, right? And then we're gonna pull off the line, and they're gonna be spinning, and we're gonna be gone.
Yep.
And it'll be like, what's up? You need to go to full-blown performance in, where are we? We're in LA, right? LA. So part of LA. So they need to go to full-blown performance in LA, and I'm gonna tell them that these cars cost a lot more. You just need to take it to Alex, right? You need to get a Mopar. You need to do this because this is the man. So he's the guy. His crew is great. We're building a relationship. We're trying to get him to open up a shop in Vegas, right?
That would be great.
Never know.
Because we're building a bigger facility and we're bringing other business partners in together. And if we're all in the same place, we would like have the ultimate man cave,
Yes.
right?
That'd be great.
So guys, this has been a journey. We're gonna head back to Vegas. We're gonna jump in the truck. We've been here last night. We're going back in one night. We got the wife, we got the videographer, Austin. And dude, thank you so much.
No problem. Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Thank you for
Hey,
coming
tall
out.
guy, don't be jealous because you should have been here. You know where you're at? You're in Vegas. I'm in your hood. Talk to you soon.